morning student. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Gyanmanji Modern English School. In previous session you have understood of this chapter solvent substance and separation of substance. Yes, separation of insolvents from the water, sedimentation, decantations and filtration. Yes, and how to separation of soluble solid from water, crystallizations. Yes student, today we will do text exercise of this lesson. Okay, so let's start. Text exercise question number 1, fill in the blanks. Text exercise, page number 202 and 203. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1A. Sugar and salt dissolved in water. S-U-G-A, sugar and salt dissolved in water. D-I-S-S-O-L-V-E, dissolved in water. They are, वे क्या होते हैं? They are solute. Okay, they are blanks. Next, B. Water can dissolve. Water can D-I-S-S-O-L-V-E, dissolve. Sugar it is a blanks. Next question, C. When you put crystals, C-R-Y-S-T-A-L-S, crystals of P-O-T-A-S-S-I-U-M, potassium, P-E-R, per, M-A-N-G-A-N-A-N-T-E, permanganate, permanganate in water. In water, the water turns dash because the crystals have blanks. Then D. Salty water from the sea is to get salt. Now we will do fluff, FB. Next, first look at the student, fill in the blanks. sugar and salt dissolve in water. They are क्या कहते हैं उसको? Solids. Okay, SOLUTES, solids. Next, water can dissolve sugar. Water can dissolve sugar. It is solution. Okay, solvent. SOLVENT, solvent. Next, when you put crystals of potassium permanganate in water, the water turn किसमें टर्न हो जाता है? पर्पल. ओके, पर्पल कलर में टर्न हो जाता है. PURPLIS, पर्पलिस, बिकॉज द क्रिस्टल्स हैव, कैसे हो जाते हैं? तो बिकॉज द क्रिस्टल्स हैव dissolve. Okay, next, salty water from the sea is to evaporated. Okay, EVA, evaporated, EVAPORATED, to get salt. Okay, student, please student note down, fill in the blanks in your notebook. Have you written, student? Now we will do next question, question number 2, true false. Okay, question number 2, true false. To A, water is solvent. It is false. It is true. Water is solvent. It is true. Yes. Next, when you mix a spoonful and mix a spoonful each of rice and rice stored in a glass of water, in a glass of water and leave it the rice flour will settle down. The rice flour FLOUR will settle at the bottom first. Settle at the bottom first. Bottom first. It is false. It is false. Next, the process bottom is called sedimentation. Sedimentation. It is false. Yes. The process by which the alkaline liquid is poured out from the top after the sediment have settled down at the bottom is called sedimentation. This process is called decantation, no sedimentation. Okay, student, so this it is false. Okay. Have you written, student? Now we will do next question. Question answer of this lesson. Okay. Question number 3. Question answer. Okay, question answer है answer A. Answer A. A का आंसर स्टूडेंट में यहाँ पर क्वेश्चंस नहीं लिख रही हूँ, आपको क्वेश्चन जो है अपने नोटबुक से नोट डाउन करनी है, अपनी ड्रम बुक ओके टेक्स्ट बुक से नोट डाउन करना है नोटबुक में. ओके, और ये डायरेक्ट में आंसर लिख रही हूँ यहाँ. आंसर ए, when a solute is dissolved in a solvent the liquid that is called a solution. Okay, for example, sugar is dissolved. Sugar is dissolved in water. Okay, when the solute is dissolved in a solvent, it means water. Yes, solute, it means sugar. Okay, so sugar is dissolved in water, the liquid that is called solution. उसे क्या बोलेंगे, उसका जो मिक्सर बनेगा, उसका मिश्रण जो बनेगा उसे कहेंगे solution. For example, sugar is dissolved in water. Okay, now we next question. Answer B. Answer B. ओके, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं लिख रही, डायरेक्ट आंसर लिख रही है. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो अपना जो क्वेश्चन है वो अपनी ड्रम बुक से टेक्स्ट बुक में नोट डाउन कर लेना. ओके, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस बाय व्हिच sediment settle down at the bottom of a mixture called. Okay, so answer is process by which sediments settle down, SEDI, sediments settle down, settle down at the bottom, of a mixture is called sedimentation. Is called sedimentation. Okay. Next question number C. Answer C. What is the process by which clear liquid can be poured out after the sediment settled at the bottom called decantation? Is called decantation. Okay, students, the process by which process by which clear liquid can be poured out after the sediment sediments have settled at the bottom is called decantation. Is called decantation. Okay, student, note down question answer in your textbook. Now we do next question. Question number D. What happens in the process of crystallizations? Okay, answer D. Crystallizations is the process by which small crystals of the solute left behind. Left behind after all the solvent. After all the solvent had evaporated. Had evaporated. Okay. Crystallization is a process by which small crystals of the solute are left behind after all the solvent had evaporated. Okay. Not down, student. Have you written, student? Student, question number E. Question number 3E. Student, question number E is cancelled. ये आपको नहीं करना है, ये मैंने यहाँ कैंसिल किया है. ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर E इज कैंसल्ड. टुडे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर चैप्टर नंबर 8. यस, एंड today we have completed syllabus of science. फर्स्ट टर्म सिलेबस ऑफ साइंस. हम अपना फर्स्ट टर्म सिलेबस जो है कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं आज. 1 to 8 लेसन. ओके, नेक्स्ट नाउ वी विल डू नेक्स्ट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वर्कशीट 2. ओके स्टूडेंट, होमवर्क नोट डाउन. Today's homework is write every TF and question answer. Question answer of lesson 8. Of lesson 8 in your textbook. Okay, friend. Question number E. Question number E is cancelled. क्वेश्चन हमने कैंसिल किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर E इज कैंसल्ड ऑफ लेसन 7. सॉरी, ऑफ लेसन 8. Okay, question number E is cancelled of lesson 8. Okay, student. Thank you. Have a nice day.